Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one functionality using which you can find out the status of your battery or health of the battery. So for that, what you need to do is you need to come to command prompt. You can type in CMD and you can get into command prompt. After coming it, you just paste this. So whatever this is there, you have to just paste it. I have already put this in the description box. Once you have it, you will get the URL. So you can come to this path and this will open up the battery report. So this battery report, it shows the entire usage, power usage throughout the life of the product. So full charge capacity. So 19/11/2022, I have charged it from an AC source. Then the capacity remaining was this much, and it got suspended after that. The entire life cycle of charging you'll see here. That is recently for the last 3 days. Now, if you go here, you will see the usage history. So this is start time, this is active time, battery usage. Now if you see what was the active time, so how much battery life it was giving, how much time I have plugged in and charged, it shows. If you go in here down, it shows the battery capacity history. So initially the capacity will be high, later on it degrades, as you can see. The capacity becomes lower, and now see, for some time I see the 14/11 it has gone down. Again on 16/11 it has become better. I don't know how, but so this will help us identify what is the battery life estimates. Now this is the battery life estimates, how much time it lasted. So initially it was giving around 4 hours 57 minutes, I guess. Then it reduced. Once it even went till 1 minute 10. So current estimated battery life based on all the observed drains since operation install is around this. So based on this, you will be able to get a pretty good idea of what the condition of your battery is. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.